Imagine you're standing on the precipice of a new financial adventure. You've heard about Lunar, the innovative digital bank that's revolutionizing personal finance. But you're wondering, just how long does it really take to get your hands on a Lunar account? Lunar has gained immense popularity due to its sleek interface, competitive rates, and a host of unique features. But with so many people eager to join the Lunar family, the question of account approval time is a pressing one. Let's dive into the factors that influence how quickly you can start enjoying the benefits of Lunar. Factor 1. Documentation and verification. The first hurdle in the Lunar account journey is the documentation process. You'll need to provide proof of identity, address, and income. The speed at which you can submit these documents will significantly impact the approval time. Ensure you have all the necessary paperwork ready and scan them in high quality. Factor 2. Identity verification. Once your documents are submitted, Lunar will conduct a thorough identity verification process. This may involve additional checks or requests for information. Cooperating promptly with these requests will expedite the verification process. Factor 3. System load and processing time. The volume of applications Lunar receives can also influence the approval time. During peak periods, the system may experience higher load, leading to slightly longer processing times. However, Lunar's sufficient systems are designed to handle a large number of applications. Factor 4. Account type and features. The type of account you're applying for and the features you're interested in can also play a role in the approval time. For example, if you're applying for a premium account with additional benefits, Lunar may require more in-depth verification. Typical approval timeframes. While it's difficult to provide an exact timeline, Lunar generally strives to process applications within a reasonable timeframe. In many cases, you can expect to receive a decision on your application within a few business days. However, it's always a good idea to allow for some flexibility. Tips for faster approval. Here are a few tips to help you expedite the Lunar account approval process. Prepare your documents in advance. Ensure the quality of your scans. Respond promptly to any verification requests. Be patient and understanding. So, how long does it really take to get a Lunar account? While the exact time frame can vary, with proper preparation and patience, you can typically expect a relatively quick approval process. Lunar's commitment to providing a seamless user experience means they're constantly working to streamline their processes and reduce waiting times. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.